go back to the provisioning screen. As you can see in the flowchart in the upper part of the window, our next step is to create a file system. You can either click on the interactive Create File System icon in the flowchart itself, or click on the File System tile in the bottom half of the window. In the File System window, click the Create button. The Create File System window opens. Enter a name for your file system in the text box. In the description text box, you can optionally enter the function and properties of the file system. The descriptive information helps identify it. Optional, enable thin. The storage system will now dynamically allocate storage resources on demand based on actual storage capacity usage. In the capacity box, fill in 10 gigabytes. Let's leave the quantity at 1. The owning storage pool should be our NAS pool we've just created. You can see here that if a storage pool hadn't been created yet, you can sidestep to create a storage pool right at this moment. Since we've already done that, let's click on Timing Snapshot Policy. In this window, you'll see all the snapshot timing options, and if you wish, you can automate your snapshots right here. Leave the snapshot timing window by clicking the X at the top right of the window. Now click the Advanced button. The Advanced window for your file system creation now appears. In the Properties tab, you can choose the owning controller from the drop-down menu. Choose either one of the controllers that come into view. Next, go to the Initial Capacity Allocation Policy drop-down menu and look at your options. We'll leave the allocation at Automatic. Our next step is clicking the Tuning tab. Take a look at the available options. Smart QoS. The priority is set at Low. If you have the licensed features, you can enter your options over here. Smart Partition, Smart Cache, as well as enable Smart Compression and/or Smart Dedupe. If you remember the theory from Module 1 in this course, you'll see that there's a Write Once, Read Many option available under the Worm tab. By default, the options are grayed out, but should you tick the Enable checkbox, you can change the protection mode as well as alter the retention settings to your needs. Now click OK. Back in the Create File System window, once again click OK. The execution result window appears telling you the operation was a success. Click Close. In the File System window, you'll see the file system you've just created appear in the list. To further practice this lab, please continue to the next block.